Okay, as you can see, I finally made it to the central part of Copenhagen. I'm only going to be here less than 24 hours, so here's a little montage of how it went. So this is what the rooms are like, guys, at the Steelhouse Hostel. These are like little prefab units. Everybody gets a little pod. My room has 4. This is mine, pod 3. This is how you get up to the upper level if you need to. Nice view. And then this is the bathroom. Here's how the bathroom is. A little toilet and shower, and that's for all 4 of us in the room. All right, made it to Bucharest, safe and sound. What a fun experience. I really recommend it. Very unique. I kind of lost my voice from not talking to anyone for a couple days. Okay, here's a quick update from LA Airport. I'm back here at Tom Bradley Terminal. I made it back from this crazy 3-day adventure. This is where I started Thursday evening. Now it's Saturday evening, and I'm really glad to be back. Can't wait to get home. If you made it this far and you're still watching, you're a rock star, and I appreciate it. See you next time. Cheers.